So, hello everyone. At this class, I am going to discuss some numericals based on probability distribution. In the last class, I have discussed about the random variables, probability distribution of random variables, and I have given 2 or 3 examples also. Today also I am going to discuss some numericals, and these are some important numericals. So, I will discuss those numericals today. Actually, these are long questions. So, I will discuss now these questions. Okay. So, before going to solve these questions, first of all, you should know or you should have some idea about cards. Okay. If you have idea about cards, then you can solve these questions easily. Okay. Because these questions based on totally cards only. So we know there are total 52 cards, and out of 52 there are 26 red cards, 26 black cards. There are 4 suites: diamond, club, spade and heart. So each contain 13, 13, 13, right? So this much of thing you should know about. Okay. And how many aces are there? There are 4 aces, 4 jacks, 4 kings, 4 queens. Okay. So all these things you should know. So now read the question first. 2 cards are drawn successively. 2 cards are drawn successively with replacement. Okay? 2 cards are drawn successively with replacement from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. We know there are total 52 cards. So out of 52, you have to select 2 cards. Okay? Successively with replacement. Condition दे दिया कि with replacement है. Okay. Find the probability distribution. I have written the short form. Probability distribution. Find the probability distribution of the number of aces. So how many aces are there? इसीलिए बोला था cards में थोड़ा सा idea होना चाहिए ऐसा मॉडल का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए. Okay. So we know there are total 4 aces. ठीक है. Out of those 4 aces, you have to select 2 cards. Okay. So you have to select 2 cards from 52 cards with replacement. Then what is the probability distribution of the number of aces? Since you are asked to find the probability distribution, so for this we should know capital letter X. Yes, what is capital letter X? Is a random variable as well as P of X. Yes, to find the probability distribution of any experiment, you should know the value of capital letter X and P of X only. Capital letter X means random variable, because random variable is denoted by capital letter X, and P of X is the probability of that random variable. Okay, so कुछ चीज ध्यान में रखना है ऐसा मॉडल का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए. तो अभी एक पॉइंट मिल गया ये क्वेश्चन का कि नंबर ऑफ एसेस कितना होता है. इफ यू डोंट नो हाउ मेनी एसेस आर देयर, देन हाउ कैन वी एबल टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. सो देयर आर टोटल 4 एसेस. ओके, सो ये एक बात है. और सेकेंड पॉइंट है क्या, हाउ मेनी कार्ड्स यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट. 2 कार्ड्स यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट, राइट. सो since you are asked to find the probability distribution, so what are the possible values of x? X का possible values क्या क्या हो सकता है? You are asked to select 2 cards. So probability means uncertainty. So x is equal to, which is a random variable, means is a real valued function whose domain is the sample space of the random experiment. Yes or not? So x is equal to 0, 1 and 2. Okay, the possible values of x in this question according to this question will be 0, 1 and 2. Why first value of x is 0? Because जब दो कार्ड को सिलेक्ट करना है, वो 2 कार्ड एस नहीं भी हो सकता है. आउट ऑफ 52, नॉट ऑल 52 कार्ड्स आर एस ना, ओनली 4 आर एस. सो जब 2 कार्ड सिलेक्ट करना है सक्सेसिवली विथ रिप्लेसमेंट, it may not be aces. Okay, तो ace नहीं भी हो सकता है. So that's why you have to consider the first possible value of x is 0. After that I have taken the next value is 1. So जब 2 कार्ड successively means what? One after another. Successively means one after another. So जब 2 कार्ड सिलेक्ट करना है one after another, first card एस हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है। तो 1 के लिए दो केसेस आएगा, मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा दो केसेस क्या क्या होगा। ओके, x equal to 1 means there is one ace and one non-ace. Okay, and x equal to 2 means both the cards are ace. You have to select exactly 2 cards successively with replacement. So the maximum value of x will be 2 only. If you write x equal to 3, it means what? There are 3 cards you have to select. But according to our question, you have to select only 2 cards. So these are the possible values of x. ठीक है? Okay. Now, ये एक पॉइंट मिल गया। और एक पॉइंट क्या है? x इक्वल टू 0, 1 एंड 2। ठीक है, सो x इक्वल टू 0 के लिए इसका स्टेटमेंट क्या होगा? दैट मीन्स बोथ आर नॉन एस। सिंस यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट टू कार्ड्स, सो x इक्वल टू 0 मीन्स बोथ आर नॉन एस। ठीक है, एक बात याद रखना है कि यहां पे विथ रिप्लेसमेंट बोला गया है। ओके, हियर द ड्रॉज आर डन विथ रिप्लेसमेंट, सो दैट्स व्हाई द सिलेक्शन प्रोसीड्यूर विल बी इंडिपेंडेंट। ओके, when we will select the 2 cards, the selection procedure will be independent. Now what is the condition of independent event? Already I have discussed P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B, multiply हो जाता है P of A into P of B. This is the condition of independent event. Okay, since the cards drawn are successively with replacement, that's why you have to consider that the experiment will be independent experiment. Okay, the selection procedure will be independent. So this is the condition of independent event. So इसीलिए x equal to 0 मतलब first card non ace as well as the second card non ace. Yes, so first card non ace, second card non ace. So we know there are total 52 cards. Out of 52, 4 are ace. So अगर दोनों ही non ace है तो that means now we have only 48 cards because there are total 48 non ace. Out of 52, 48 non ace. So out of 48 you have to select one card. Okay, out of 48 you have to select one card. I am telling about the first non ace. Okay, which can be done in 48C one ways by 52C one ways into, you have to use this multiplication sign. Why? Because the selection procedure is independent. That's why multiplication sign use करना है. This is for first non ace card, and similarly for second non ace also you have to select in the same way 42C1 by 52C1. We all know selection means combination, arrangement means permutation. इसीलिए मैं यहाँ पे selection, that is the combination का concept use किया. Okay, so 48C1 by 52C1, we know 48 by 52 into 48 by 52. This is equal to, if you calculate it, it will be 144 by 169. Okay, so this is for x equal to 0. ये बात ध्यान में रखना है, याद रखना है ये सब कुछ. Okay, so independent event क्यों यूज किया गया यहाँ पे? Because the selection procedure is with replacement. Okay, they are not dependent. One after another you have to select. They are not dependent. Okay, so this is for x equal to 0. Now for x equal to 1, ठीक से देखना है x equal to 1 के लिए क्या कंडीशन यूज किया जाएगा. इसीलिए मैं यहाँ पे बोला था दो केसेस आएगा. क्या क्या दो केसेस आएगा? x equal to 1 मीन्स जब फर्स्ट कार्ड को सिलेक्ट करना है उसमें नॉन एस एंड एस हो सकता है और एस एंड नॉन एस हो सकता है. दीज आर द टू केसेस. अभी कंफ्यूज हो सकते हो तुम लोग क्यों यहाँ पे नॉन एस एस नॉन एस लिखा गया है. सो x इक्वल टू 1 मीन्स इन द फर्स्ट केस, दिस इज द फर्स्ट केस, दिस इज द फर्स्ट सिलेक्शन. जैसे यहाँ पे भी x इक्वल टू 0 में भी फर्स्ट सिलेक्शन में नॉन एस एज वेल एज सेकेंड सिलेक्शन में नॉन एस यूज किया गया बिकॉज यार बोथ आर नॉन एस. सो x इक्वल टू 1 का मतलब है फर्स्ट केस में अगर एक कार्ड नॉन एस है तो सेकेंड कार्ड मस्ट बी एस, और प्रोबेबिलिटी मीन्स अनसर्टेनिटी, और सेकेंड केस में when you select two cards, first card may be ace, second card may be non ace. ठीक है, you have to select two cards ना, so two cards का first card का selection procedure ये है. जब first card select करना है, it may be non ace and ace, or probability means uncertainty, ace non ace. Yes, two cards you have to select successively. So two cards में first case में non ace ace हो सकता है, और नहीं तो एस नॉन एस हो सकता है. x equal to 1 means there must be one ace. That means obviously the other card will be non ace only. Since you have to select two cards successively, so x equal to 1 means one is ace, other one must be non ace. Okay? Okay. So how to write the value for the first case non ace? Non ace means we all know, just now I have written this. For non ace we can write 48 by 52. Yes, 48 by 52 into and का मतलब into होगा because they are independent event. Okay, and for ace, how many aces are there? We know there are total 4 aces. Out of 4 we have to select one card, which is 4 by 52. Okay, or means plus, you have to use plus sign here. So ace and non ace second case के लिए, so first ace means 4 by 52 into non ace means 48 by 52. Just you have to calculate this value. After calculation you will get 24 by 169. You can check the calculation part. Okay, so after calculation, after simplification you will get 24 by 169. Okay, so x equal to 1 तो हो गया. Now similarly for x equal to 2, x equal to 2 is very easy. If you understand, for x equal to 0, x equal to 2, just opposite. X equal to 2 means both are ace and ace. So first ace होगा तो selection कैसा होगा? 4c1 by 48c1 4c1 by 52c1 into again 4c1 by 52c1. That means 4 by 52 into 4 by 52. That is 1 by 169. So for x equal to 0, for x equal to 1 and for x equal to 2, we know the values. Okay, now easily we can construct the probability distribution table. मैं ऊपर में बना रहा हूँ probability distribution table. Actually ये लास्ट में लिखना चाहिए. Okay, बहुत आसान है. सिर्फ अभी टेबल बना के वैल्यू एंटर करना है बस. x p of x for x equal to 0, for x equal to 1, for x equal to 2. For x equal to 0 we got 144 by 169. For x equal to 1 we got 24 by 169, and for x equal to 2 we got 1 by 169. क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है, थोड़ा सा समझना है. ओके, since the two cards are drawn successively with replacement, that's why the selection procedure will be independent. That's why you need to multiply. जब दो कार्ड को सिलेक्ट करना है सक्सेसिवली मीन्स वन आफ्टर अनदर, सो सिलेक्शन प्रोसीड्यूर कैसा होगा? x इक्वल टू 0. इट मीन्स देयर इज नो एस. नो एस का मतलब वी हैव ओनली 48 कार्ड्स, बिकॉज आउट ऑफ 52 4 आर एस. आउट ऑफ 4 अगर वो 4 अगर हटा देंगे तो हम लोगों के पास 48 रहेगा. सो the non-ace cards we can select in this way: 48c1 by 52c1 in the first case, and similarly second case के लिए भी same होगा. बीच में multiplication sign क्यों? Successively with replacement. That's why they are doing the work independently. इसीलिए multiplication sign use हुआ. Now for x equal to 1, ये बहुत important है. x equal to 1 के लिए दो cases आता है. x equal to 1 का मतलब है when you select the two cards successively, फर्स्ट कार्ड एस होगा तो सेकेंड कार्ड मस्ट बी नॉन एस, और फर्स्ट कार्ड नॉन एस होगा तो सेकेंड कार्ड मस्ट बी एस. इसीलिए दो केसेस यूज किया गया. और मीन्स प्लस एंड एंड मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन साइन, बिकॉज हियर द एक्सपेरिमेंट इज इंडिपेंडेंट. And for x equal to 2, both are ace. You have to select two cards and you are asked to find the probability distribution of the number of aces. So x equal to 2 means both the cards are ace. So both cards are ace means 4c1 by 52c1 into 4c1 by 52c1, because there are 4 aces we know. Okay, so first ace can be selected, 4c1 ways. Second case also same only. Okay, so after simplification, whatever value you get, just you put in this value, so which will be the required answer. No need to calculate this part, ये table बनाने से हो जाएगा. यही है probability distribution. Okay, so more numericals I will discuss now. So the next question is, two numbers are selected at random without replacement. Last question was with replacement. This question is without replacement. Why I am giving the two questions like this? Because you should know the difference between with replacement procedure selection procedure and without replacement selection procedure. I hope you know, all of you know. Without replacement means, for example, जब एक कार्ड को अगर सिलेक्ट करना है, सो वहां से अगर फर्स्ट कार्ड सिलेक्ट करने के बाद नेक्स्ट टाइम वो सेम कार्ड सिलेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. दैट इज कॉल्ड विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट, राइट? सो टू कार्ड्स आर सिलेक्टेड एट रैंडम विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट 6 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स. ओके, you have to select two numbers. Two numbers are selected at random without replacement from the first 6 positive integers. Let x denote the larger of the two numbers. बहुत ही important part है ये point question का. X denote the larger of the two numbers obtained. How many numbers you have to select? Two numbers. सो दो नंबर जो सिलेक्ट करना है उसका कॉम्बिनेशन क्या होना चाहिए? एक बड़ा एक छोटा होना चाहिए. सो दैट एक्स डिनोट द लार्जर ऑफ द टू नंबर्स ऑब्टेन्ड. देन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ई ऑफ एक्स. ओके, यू आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स. सो एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स का फॉर्मूला क्या है? ई ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू, वी ऑल नो, समेशन आई फ्रॉम 1 to n पी आई into xi. Yes, ये है expectation of x का formula. Then for this you should know the values of xi as well as pi. ठीक है, तो अगर xi और pi का वैल्यूज मिल गया तो उसका मल्टीप्लीकेशन करके उसका समेशन निकालने से ही एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x मिल जाएगा, राइट? एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x मीन्स मीन. ओके, मीन. ओके, सो since in this question clearly it is mentioned that the selection procedure is without replacement and you have to select the two numbers from the first 6 positive integers. So what are the first 6 positive integers? We all know the first 6 positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, so in how many ways we can select without replacement? You have to select the two numbers, but x denotes the larger of the two numbers, right? So since x denotes the larger of the two numbers, तो इसका सिलेक्शन करने का तरीका क्या होगा, कैसा होगा? मैं अभी तक शुरू नहीं किया इसका सॉल्यूशन, मैं कुछ पॉइंट बताना चाहता हूं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड नो द फर्स्ट 6 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स. वी ऑल नो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. नेक्स्ट you should know, since x denote larger of the two numbers, so what will be the first value of x? X denote the larger of the two numbers, and what will be the first value of x? Since here no 0 is not there, we cannot take 0, even we cannot take 1 also. The first possible value of x is 2. I will explain why I have written the first value is 2. Then it will be 3, then 4, then 5, and the last one will be 6, because here maximum numbers are 6 only. Okay, now why I have taken the first number is 2, why not 1? Because here 1 is also there. The first 6 positive integer means we can include 1 also. But when we consider the values of x, we cannot consider 1. Why? Because according to our question, x denote the larger of the two numbers. So if I write x equal to 1, the first value, so larger of the two number कैसे मिलेगा? x equal to 1 का मतलब हो जाएगा क्या? 1 is the largest one. So 1 is the, how 1 will be largest? Because 1 से ही तो शुरू हुआ first 6 positive number. ठीक है. So if I write x equal to 1, then it is not possible according to our question to write the probabilities. Okay. So x equal to 2 अगर लिखूंगा तो x denotes the larger of the two numbers. So if I write the first value of x is 2, then we can select like this 2,1 and 1,2, because you have to select two numbers, right, from the first 6 positive integers. From the first 6 positive integer, and x denote the larger of the two numbers. That means when we select the two numbers, one must be greater than the other. Yes, one must be greater than the other. That's why you have to consider the first possible value of x is 2. So 2,1, 1,2, because 2 is greater than 1. If 2,1 is possible, 1,2 is also possible. You have to write both the possible terms. Okay. So that's why x equal to 1 is not possible. If I consider x equal to 1, then here it should be another number like 0. Then only we can write 1, 0 or 0, 1. But 0 is not possible. 0 is not possible because from the first 6 positive integers you have to select the numbers. And the first 6 positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay? So ऐसा ही कुछ points याद रखना, मतलब जानना जरूरी है. तो मिल गया मुझे x का possible values 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Apart from this, और भी एक चीज याद रखना है. Because since you are asked to find e of x, and for e of x we should know the values of xi. Now we know the values of xi, that is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Along with xi we should know pi also. Pi means the probability distribution of the respective random variables. Okay, so pi का value जब find out करना है, we know the definition of probability of an event. What is the definition of probability of an event? Favorable case by exhaustive case, yes or not? So favorable by exhaustive, favorable के लिए चलो ठीक है, favorable तो मिल जाएगा ये number से. What about exhaustive? That means what is the sample space of this experiment? What will be the sample space of this experiment? How many numbers are there? 6 positive integers, right? Out of 6 you have to select 2 numbers. And what is the selection procedure here? Without replacement. ये बात याद रखना है. Without replacement बोला, that means the first number we can select in 6 ways. Yes or not? The first number we can select in 6 ways. Since you have to select the number without replacement, so that means for the second case you have only 5 numbers available. So the next number you have to select in 5 ways. So therefore the two numbers can be selected in 6 into 5, that is 30 ways. This is the value of sample space. That means the exhaustive case. N of E का value होगा 30, not 36. With replacement नहीं बताया गया, without replacement बोला गया. Okay? Without replacement का मतलब वही है कि first number जब select करना है, we have all the numbers are available. We have a total 6 numbers. Yes? But for the second case, one number will be less because without replacement बोला गया. That's why N of E will be 30, not 36. तो ये सब चीज याद रखना है. Now I am going to start the solution. तो solution लिखने के लिए इसका तरीका क्या होगा? x आराम से लिखना है, x का वैल्यू, favorable case, FC means favorable case or favorable cases, and then probabilities, or you can write P of x also. Okay, x, favorable cases and P of x. So already I have written the numbers of x, that is the first value of x is 2. So favorable cases क्या क्या हो सकता है? That means what are the combinations? What are the combinations? You have to select 2 numbers. So what will be the combinations? Combinations will be 1, 2 and 2, 1. Probability means we all know uncertainty. So uncertainty, that's why 1, 2 अगर possible है तो 2, 1 भी possible होगा. Okay. So how many favorable cases are there? There are 2 favorable cases. So what will be the probability distribution? P of x. This will be 2 by 30. Don't write 36. I am repeating again and again. Why? Because the selection procedure is without replacement. So when we select the first number in 6 ways, then you have to select the next number in 5 ways only, because for the second case one number will be less. That's why the total number of arrangement will be 30. So you have to select in 30 ways the two numbers. Okay, so for x equal to 2 it is clear. Now for x equal to 3, what are the possible favorable cases? x equal to 3 का मतलब क्या है? x equal to 3 means 3 is larger than the other number. So what are the possible cases? 3, 1 is possible. If 3, 1 is possible, 1, 3 is possible. Not only 1, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3 are also possible. Okay, because 3 सबसे बड़ा होना चाहिए वो कॉम्बिनेशन में. जो दो नंबर सिलेक्ट करना है वो दो नंबर का कॉम्बिनेशन में 3 सबसे बड़ा होना चाहिए. So there are total 4 favorable cases out of 30. Okay, so after x equal to 3, then you have to write the value of x 4. So 4 x equal to 4 means 4 सबसे बड़ा होगा. So 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4, 4, 3, 3, 4. Okay, so there are 6 favorable cases out of 30. Next, write 5. So for x equal to 5, what are the possible favorable cases? 5, 1, 1, 5, 5, 2, 2, 5, 5, 3, 3, 5, 5, 4, and 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 8 out of 30. And the last possible value of x is 6, because there are total 6 positive integers. So x equal to 6 means 6 is larger than the other. So 1, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 2, 6, 6, 3, 3, 6, 6, 4, 4, 6, 6, 5, 5, 6. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 cases out of 30. Don't write the same number, because x denotes the larger of the two number. तो मतलब एक बड़ा है तो एक छोटा होना चाहिए. इसीलिए तो x equal to 1 possible नहीं हुआ, because among these 6 numbers 1 is the smallest one. तो 1 ही सबसे छोटा है, तो उससे तो और छोटा नंबर नहीं है. So that's why you have to start from 2. So these are the possible values of x and p of x. Now it is very easy to find the expectation, that is the mean, or you can say average. So expectation of x, this is equal to, what is the formula? Summation I from 1 to n pi into xi. Okay, so pi into xi, this is pi and this is xi. So multiply, that is 2 into 2 by 30 plus 3 into 4 by 30 plus 4 into 6 by 30 plus 5 into 8 by 30 plus 6 into 10 by 30. So don't cancel it out. It will be easy to take simply LCM. So 4 by 30 plus 12 by 30 plus 24 by 30 plus 40 by 30 plus 60 by 30. So if we take LCM, LCM is 30 only. 16, 40, 80, 140. So 140 by 30, that means 14 by 3, which is more than 1. Of course, it is E of x. This is not probability. We know probability cannot be more than 1. It will be either less than or equal to 1. So this is expectation of x. This is not P of x. So expectation of x है, इसीलिए आंसर more than 1 आएगा ही. Okay. So if you want to verify whether your answer, that means whether P of x is correct or not, you can take the summation of P of x part. So LCM will be 30 only. 2 plus 4, 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. So 30 by 30 is 1. So probability distribution is always 1. So that means your answer is correct. So like this type of questions you have to practice. These are long questions. Okay. And be careful when you write the that is the sample space part. You have to check whether the selection procedure is with replacement or without replacement. Okay. So like this type of questions practice, you have to practice more. So some more models I will discuss in the next class. Thank you for today.